made in New York City factory footage. Take it away, factory. And we have some laser cutting. What could it be? What could it be?
Starts with a D. More laser cutting.
Yep.
This is what I really don't know. What is circular like this? Oh, I'm serious.
Yep. It's the flame pattern.
Flame demo for the Charlie wing.
This is testing some Fonas.
This is a four-way tester.
Yeah.
So testing Fona feathers, Fona shields, Fona breakouts. There's a lot of, we have to plug in so much stuff to test these Fonas.
And this is what the pick and place machines see outside the window every single week here in the New York City factory.